afternoon. I'm Alvin Bailey, and I'd like to be your financial coach. I'm often asked why you need a financial coach. Well, coaching is a very effective way of getting you to have peak performance. Consider most athletes have coaches. Coaches tell them how to play the game better. It's ultimately up to the player to perform at that peak level, but the coach can identify many uneven traits in their habits, their performance, and just their overall attitude. So I can help you change your mindset. I can help find those bad habits and turn them into good habits, which will help you financially. As well, a financial coach can help decrease stress. So instead of worrying about this money problem or what should I do next, I can give you options on what are the best ways to proceed, and that will lower your stress levels. Another thing that coaching can help you with is setting clear goals. Many people have very vague goals about what they want to accomplish with their money. I can help you find the goal that makes you happiest and help you give that a name that can be achieved. The other thing that a coach can do is create accountability. Many of us will make promises to ourselves. I'm going to go on a diet next week. I'm not going to eat those French fries. But since it's really just a promise to myself, I have a hard time following that commitment. But with a financial coach, you have an accountability partner, and I can help you stay on course towards you try to achieve your financial goals. So a financial coach can help you change your mindset, decrease your stress, help you set clear goals, and provide accountability. I'd love to work with you to make your world a better place.